Morning everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. Well, Santa Claus came again. Let's go open up and see what we got here. What'd I get, Fred? Hey buddy? Fred's down here with me. Okay. Here's a box for Fred to play in. Getting cluttered here. Ah, we got some hammers and dollies. Okay. Another kind here. Interesting. Got some dollies here. Another hammer. Three different kinds of dollies. These ones look good for bending metal and shaping metal and all kinds of things, I would assume. I didn't have a set of these, so now I do. We can get started on the dents on the fenders. I don't know which way that goes. I don't think it matters. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that's kind of cool. So you got 4 different kinds of dollies and 3 little hammers. I don't know how good these are going to be, but what's that say? Don't eat? Anyway, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the kit there. Amazon, of course. So I'm down here in the shop. I'll show you Fred here for a second. Where are you, buddy? Whoops. Hey, Fred. He's in the box. Well, we got some more sanding to do. Got some dents here. My buddy Tom, you've seen him in a lot of the videos, gave me these shot bags to work out some of these dents. Got that one there and another shot bag here. I guess I've never used this stuff before, so I'm assuming you flip it over. I wish I had a board or something, but I do actually. Maybe I'll put a couple of boards in here and I'll leave this fender on it and put the shot bag underneath and then hit it with a hammer. What do you think? I don't know. You like that box, Fred? He's enjoying himself. Always have a couple of boards kicking around. Like so. Oh, let's put the fender back up here. Sorry, Fred. Here. Lay in there. So, where's the first dent? Can't see it on this side. That's how slight it is. Oh, it's right there. And spiders, get out of there. Let's just have a look see here for a minute. Oh yeah, that's a fair size one. Well, let's try this thing. I don't know what you do here. What kind of hammer do you need? Now, what exactly is that dent? I'm probably doing this wrong. I'll find out. It's moving. See what kind of damage you're doing, Grandpa. Oh, hey. It's moving. Shot back here. There's another one right in there. A little bit more. Oh, I can't get out of it with that angle. I guess that's the best one. I wonder if I'm getting that bulged out a bit too far. Let's just have a look-see here. Wow. The dent is out. I gotta ding it back in a bit. I wonder which one will fit in there. Yeah, that one will. A little bit more. Aha! Those dents are out. It'll need a little bit of filler just to smoothen it up, but those dents are gone. Now we got this one over here. They're not as bad either. Geez, that worked well. Crazy bugger. Where are you going here? Very hard to see the dent. Oh, it's right there. Put it on that shot bag again. I don't know if you're supposed to stick your tongue out when you're doing this. Hammer a bit, check it. Oh, that's the top one. Just feeling the wrong. Oh, I say. A little bit more. Right there. Right in that spot right there. You can see the steel moving. You probably can't. I can. It came out a little bit. Right there. Right up in this area now. pretty happy with that. And I got one right up here. Not quite as severe, this one. I think it popped. Oh yes. Now I gotta dolly that one back a little bit. Going to be a little tricky. I don't know which one. Never done this before. I can feel that. Where are you, Fred? Probably doesn't like this banging. Right near the top, eh? Well, it's damn near flat. Let's check it now. A little bit of an indentation there, a little bit out there. Let's try and get up into that spot up in there. I don't want to hit it too hard. Well, I got them popped out. That one could come a bit more. Then they're going to need to be puttied, obviously. Okay. Let's try a little bit of sanding on her. Where's the end of the plug? How about right there? Way too much extension cord there. What size we got going on here? Oh, that's an 80. happy with that guy down there. A little bit low right there. You can see where the primer is, that red, brownish, whatever color paint that is. I can see this lip. I don't know if there's a rounder end on one of these. That one. Pop that back in and that'll put some pressure, knock that back up is what I'm thinking. That's not bad. Fenders are actually in really good condition. A couple of little dings and dents, but nothing that can't be sanded out or hammered out. A little low right there, and a little low right here. I don't know if I can get that bugger out a little bit more, maybe. Put that on shot there, I guess. Tap on it right there. If I'm doing this wrong, I'm sure people will tell me. I don't want to hammer on it too much. Those are going to come in here. Oh yeah. That brought it right back up. Anyway. I'm going to be busy down here sanding and banging and crashing and one thing and another. Get these fenders. The other fender's sitting up there. I haven't even looked at it yet. But this guy's shaping up really nice. I can deal with that. Bye for now.